I'm Tom Whisenand. I'm owner and advising founder of Indeed Brewing Company. We were founded in 2012, and I think we're well known for making fun, eclectic, and quality beers. We've been supporters in LLS for quite a long time. Ever since my grandfather did pass, as a result of lymphoma, my family personally and has had quite a bit of resolve to try to do what we can to help find a cure. The whole idea behind breweries, especially craft breweries, is deeply connected to community, and that community is made up of people. And those people, some of them work here, some of them visit here, drink our beer at the brewery, some of them drink it out in public. Some people don't drink beer, but they still can have a connection to our brewery. And indeed, we've for a long time have engaged with various nonprofits and other aspects of the community as a way to bring people in to our company and our culture, whether they're drinking beer or not. So when it comes to supporting this cause and doing what we can to fight cancer, it's a natural step for us, and that's both because of course, like personal connections to the disease and the struggles that come with it, but also to like a great organization that brings positivity. LLS has a long track record of collaboration and really trying to make things work well for both sides. At the end of the day, you're supporting an organization that has the power to make change when you support it. People who step up and support and participate in this, which is going to be relatively easy on your end, you're going to find out that there's a lot of people in your sphere, your customers, in your tap room, out in the market, people you work with that are connected to this cause. With the efforts that LLS is making, and which obviously takes contributions and collaboration, like we'll find a cure.